Well, it became necessary for Grandma not to live by herself 8 miles from town. And so my Gina took over.
So we were looking for a place for Grandma so that she was probably 4 hours from the nearest relative. So we moved her from the Reading area, and I started looking in Lodi because Grandma wanted Lodi. Started looking in Lodi and got out the phone book and the little senior help list and just started looking. So this actually was the first place that I came to, and I probably didn't need to go anywhere else, but I felt it best for Grandma to look everywhere and give everybody a fair chance. Well, I'll speak first and then I'll let Grandma, because I chose the arbor for Grandma. I chose the arbor for Grandma and then brought Grandma down for a visit. And when I first came in here, I just felt very welcomed. Julie showed me around and had invited us to a lunch, and honestly wasn't one of the other reasons was you guys weren't very pushy here, which I really liked that. I came in, you let me call you back, and like I said, invited us for lunch. A couple of the other places to this day are still calling me, so I appreciate the non-pushy. And then talked to family members, told them I found the best place for Grandma. Now we just have to get Grandma on board, because I wasn't sure if Grandma wanted somebody to cook for her or to clean for her. And so then we invited Grandma. So go ahead, Grandma.
And we came for a nice tour and a nice visit. Thank goodness for Arbor Senior Apartments, for people that really shouldn't be alone, but yet still want to have the feeling of independence. Could have my furniture, could have my dog, and the staff here is just unbelievable. Of course, it took me a little while to learn that. I didn't know that right off the bat, but they're just, to my notion, they are unbelievable. They're just, they think that we're their grandparents, and they treat you the same way. Well, kind of coupled along with the thing that you don't have to, if your water faucet gets dripping, or you get a drain that's plugged up, or an air conditioning that doesn't work, you just call Pancho and he takes care of it. It just gives you a feeling of security and well-being, especially when you're upended from your way of life after lots of years. Just feel very comfortable and secure.
Yes, I am very happy. A couple of the things that set aside are, we just had lost Grandpa, and I couldn't get a hold of Grandma, and we were a little bit nervous, and it was a couple days after, and called Grandma, gave her 15 minutes. I know it's not very long. Gave her 30 minutes. That was way too long to not be able to talk to Grandma. So I told the rest of the family, made sure with aunts that she wasn't with them. No. Called here. It was on a Sunday. Answered right away. Told them I can't find Grandma, and we're closest one is about 30 minutes away, and can't find Grandma within 5 minutes. I spoke to somebody, told them I couldn't find Grandma. Within 5 minutes, they had called me back and said, "Oh, we found Grandma. She's visiting in the lunchroom." So that is just the wonderful security that we know that if Grandma doesn't come to breakfast, come to lunch, come to dinner, if they don't see Grandma, that we don't have to constantly be here, be calling Grandma, but if you need the search party, then they call you back right away, find Grandma and call you back right away. And one of the other things I was very secure about is that we have a friend that actually works for the Lodi Fire Department, and when I told him we were looking out in Lodi for a place for Grandma to live, the Arbor came very, very highly recommended. The staff here is very welcoming. You guys know a lot about each individual, and all your stuff is up to safety codes. So when you're recommended by the Lodi Fire Department, that was besides what I saw, that was number one in my book when you come highly recommended from a facility like that.
I've gained about 20 pounds since I've been here, so to take it from there. Now, if you just could show me how to get rid of that 20 pounds, I'd be pretty happy.
The lake walks.
Yes.
Walks again.
Yes, I'm going to start the lake walks. And one other thing that I might mention that pleases me is that I can have my pet with me, which she's been with me for 16 years since she was 5 weeks old, and it would have been very traumatic for her as well as myself to have to be separated from me after just shortly being separated from the other half of the family who she's raised with. So that was another very appreciated point. Just about everything that I have been to, the coffee chat. I wouldn't miss church unless I had a migraine. I think only one time that I've missed church since I've been here that I haven't been away with one of the children was this past Sunday when I felt that I'd better stay at home. Oh yes, the beauty shop. I don't have to go out to the beauty shop. There are just all kinds of activities that are to keep us busy. A lot of them I haven't joined in yet, but I'm getting there gradually. And I think I probably will enjoy the ones I haven't. I am going to start Lake Walk. Yes.
Yeah, we are very happy.
Very happy. If I had it to do again, after all that I know in the last 11 months, I would do it again.
Yeah, and we would do it again too. So.